Hi guys, so I'm back. I actually went out earlier. Don't mind the brows if it sucks, because there's a reason why I have the brows on today, or even makeup on. It's for my next video. But today I got like a couple of things. I went to meet up with a store, like a representative of the store, because I had to get my package. Because if you live nearby, you don't have to really avail of the shipping, which like you have to spend money on. And so yeah, I got a couple of things from her. This is one of them. So this is the K-Beauty's new essentials from Seoul to you. It arrived at Nordstrom. So there are 9 things, actually 8 things inside this pouch. This is the 9th item. So let us open this up and I'll show you guys. Alright, so we have Huxley Secret of Sahara. There's the scrub mask, the healing mask, and the sleep mask. So yeah, those are 3 small size masks. Looks like this at the back. Alright, next we have the Pig Collagen Pore Heating Sheet, Blackhead Clear Sheet, and Pore Tightening Sheet. By the looks of the pictures, this is for the nose. Alright, and then we also have 107 Secret Formula Snow Mask Essential Mask Pack. It actually has essence in it, and it is 23 grams. And then we also have the Too Cool for School Egg Cream Mask, which is a single-use ultra microfiber sheet, and it's good for hydration. And then we have, I already opened this up so that I don't have to have a, this is the Walmyung Skin Elixir. I hope I am saying this right. Walmyung Skin Elixir. The Secret Formula 1897 Royal Recipe. All in one liquid. I don't know what this is for. This is for your skin, obviously. This is like, you can use this as a toner or serum, and you have to shake well before use. Looks like it looks like an essential oil bottle. I hope it's focusing for you guys. Yeah, I really do hope it's focusing for you guys. Alright, next we have 3 more items. We have the TPSY Be Gone Makeup Eraser. And I don't know if it's focusing for you guys, but earlier it wasn't focusing either. So it looks like this. It has its own, it looks like a highlighting pen. And then we have the IPKN Radiant Cream Primer, Broad Spectrum, SPF 15, and it contains 24 fluid ounces or 7 ml of product. Why won't you focus for me? Come on. Alright, there we go. Let us hold my hand here and try to focus that. Yeah, there we go, guys. Alright. That was tiring. Alright, we have the SEP Liquid Sticker. This is for the nails. You can just peel it right off, apparently. I hope it's gonna focus again for you. Yeah, well, I hope that it's focusing for you guys. It looks a bit blurry for me because I see like my face is still clear. Alright, I have no idea. So yeah, I'll just link down in the description box like a picture of this one. Alright, that is it for this bag. We move on to the next. The other things that I got, so we have Dynoplat's Dear Brachiosaurus Soothing Green Tea Blotting Paper for sensitive skin. This is also by Too Cool for School, I think. It's actually made of 100% yam paper. I think this is Too Cool for School. Come on, focus for me. Why won't you focus? Yeah, it looks like that. I also got the rest of Patrick Starr's lip. Like from the, remember I got a lipstick, the Mama Star. This is the Mama Star companion, the lip gloss and the lip pencil. So I'm gonna open this up for you. So yeah, this is the lip gloss. Yay, I'm so happy that I got this. And then we also have the lip pencil, and I think it's in the shade Mahogany. Is it? Is it Mahogany? Yes, it is Mahogany. Yeah, yay. Alright, looks like that. Hope it's focusing again. There we go. So yeah, those are the items. Alright, next is freebies coming from Shop MYM. So we have a Sephora mask, rose sleeping mask. We also have Emporio Armani Stronger With You perfume. The perfume is like inside. Alright. We also have Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. It's inside as well. So yeah. We also have the Rafael Roberto R-Lift Neck Serum. Anti-aging, contouring, instant cumulative organic science. I've never heard of this, so I'm gonna try it out as well in the future. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing again, but yeah, that's it. Alright, on to my other. I got something from, this is from Makeup Bar PH. So this is my pre-orders. I got the Tarte High Performance eyelash curler. I don't really know how to curl my lashes, so this would be a good practice. I actually already have one like years ago, just don't know where it is, and if it is, I feel like the rubber in between has already stuck to each other. So this came with its own eyelash, mascara. Alright, now we move on to March BoxyCharm. Alright. So, vacation, you also get a coupon for Butter London. And then we have Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Sets. Let us open this one. I hope it is open. Or I hope like there's no tape, but I think there is tape. Yeah, there is tape. Alright. Alright, I got it. I got it. So this is a 3-piece brush set. I wasn't expecting this, but yeah. Oh, not bad. Apparently, step 1 for the money. Step 1 for the money. Yeah, step 1 for the money. Still in a plastic. Alright, let's take that off. Oh, it's quite soft. I actually like it. Step 1 for the money. And then we go on to step 2. Step 2 is for the shadow. Step 2 for the shadow. And we go to step 3. Step 3, go girl go. Go girl go. Step 3, go girl go. Alright, those are the 3 brushes that you get. I also got the Butter London Stroke Wow Volumizing Mascara. The time is now to wow them with max volume. I think the other one was the Smashbox one. I'm not so sure. Wait. So, yeah, you get this big. I think this is a full size. and it's in black. And it looks like that. And again, I hope it is focusing for you guys. And we also have the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in 111 Prim Vixen. I wasn't expecting this color actually, because this looks like so bright for me. Let's swatch. It looks bright on the pan, but it doesn't look bad on the hand. I'm just like putting it on my hand, back of my hand. It's not bad. Okay, I think I can use this. And we also get the South Main 3 eye gel packs. And of course, the one thing that I actually really was excited about. This is the Pure Cosmetics, the BoxyCharm Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. Eyeshadow palettes. Okay, it's stuck. Wait. Alright, there we go. And it comes with its own mirror. And you have these really gorgeous colors. They're colorful. You have pinks, oranges, shimmers. Oh, the black has like so many different colors in its shimmers. It has like a purple, gold, pink kind of shimmer in it. Yeah, wow, it's beautiful. I can't wait to try this out from Pure Cosmetics. Alright, so that is all in the BoxyCharm. And we move on to the last but not the least item. So we also have the Allure box of March 2018. Whoops. So we get their pamphlet thing. So this is how everything looks like in the box. So we have a couple of items. I don't know, this is the one thing I'm actually wanting to try, but I think this is like so dark for me. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in Y335. You know what, I'm gonna try to open this. Try to open it, but now I can't open, so I'm gonna try to pump it out like just a little. And I'm going to blend this on my hand. Yeah, it's a bit dark for me. Look at that. Look at my skin tone in this. I'll try to make it work. I don't know. Alright, next we have another thing from Makeup Forever. This is, I think, a lipstick, or like a liquid lip. Okay. Or something. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's a lipstick! Woohoo! It's something I think I would use. Okay, let us swatch this tiny, tiny lipstick. Oh! Yes, this is a color I would use because this looks like something near my own lip color. So yeah, I do like that. We also have the Oribe Freestyler Working Hairspray. And then we also have Simple Skincare and Sensitive Skin Experts Hydrating Gel Cream with Minerals and Plant Extract. So let's open this. And you get this. Alright. We have 3 more items. Let's do this first. This is from Ico London. That's where I draw the line. I'm sure this is I already know what this is. This is an eyeliner. An eyeliner that I probably don't know how to use, because I'm trying like eyeliners. Okay, it just went onto my hand. Look at how black that is. Yeah, I really don't know how to use eyeliners. I'm not ambidextrous, so it's kind of hard for me to like go over this way. I'm still trying to learn, so be patient with me. My eyebrows, my eyeliner takes more time. My lashes, on the other hand, I'm still working on that as well. I do use mascara, but not as much. And we have 2 more items. So one is the Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask. I'm glad that I got this in my Allure box because I want to try this so that I know if this is worth it. This is a really small one. I'm glad I got a Korean skincare in this. So yeah. And then the last but not the least, we have the La Roche-Posay Broad Spectrum SPF 60 Anthelios 60 Ultralight Sunscreen Fluid. Alright, sunscreen. I use sunscreen every day. So this I would really do like to try. Alright, that is it. But as usual, Beauty Makeup Bar TH gives the best freebies. I also got the Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the shade R&B. Let's open this one up, and it looks like this. It is a darker shade. It looks like a plum shade. Yeah, it does look like plum. Yeah, it is a dark purple looking. Oh my god, and it just dripped onto my leg. Wow. Okay, come on, come off. Alright, so yeah, it looks like that. It is the darker shade on my hand. Sorry, I'm trying to erase or try to wipe off the purple on my leg. So yeah, whoops. So yes, this one over here, I don't know when I'd use it. I do have something I think a little bit similar to that. You know what, let's swatch it and let's see if how dark of a difference it is. So this is the Lolita shade. Okay, yeah, that one is a bit darker. This is the Lolita one, and this is the other one. So don't you guys notice the shade difference? It's like so dark. I don't know when I'd actually be able to use the darker one. Wait, I'm gonna scoot over. And you know, I don't understand, or I don't really know why my camera doesn't focus too much. But yeah, lighter, darker. But I'm gonna try to find a time where I could wear it. I'm not that much into dark makeup, so yeah. That is it for my packages of today. I have another video to film, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!